Artificial intelligence unit 4. So goal based architecture of intelligent agent. So in that previous topic we saw simplex agent and model based agent and goal based agent. So starting, what is goal based agent? Similarly, like simplex and reflex agent, the only thing is they have to set goal. Goal might be anything, you know, might be money, or time, or steps. So you have to fix some goals with artificial intelligence. So see, there is a sensor. So sensor, we know that artificial intelligence might be a camera or infrared, so range detector like that. So sensor perceiving the environment, then what the world is like now after perceiving, what will like if do action. So what action should do now? So this likely they have to. So this kind of questions previous architects also having, that this architecture having goal. So what action I should do now? So goal node. So I already said you can fix the money. So you can fix as a goal as money, time or steps, whatever it may be. So if we fix this goal based agent expand the capability of model based agent. I know that that is we already know. So model based agent is similarly one only some features are some capabilities are a little bit expanded, and long sequence possible action before deciding where the goal is achieved or not. So long sequence of possible action we have to do. Then searching and planning, which makes an agent proactive. So consider the example for goal-based agent. If might, our goal is reduce the money while we work. So here we have to book the flight ticket. So our ultimate goal is reduce the money. How we can reduce the money for booking flight ticket? Going to navigate or bargain like that? No. So if you're going to book the flight ticket, you have to book very earlier. Then the cost is very less. So if you want to book the flight, for example, tomorrow is my flight. Today I want to book means the cost is too much high compared to previous month booked people. Same ticket, the cost is too much high. So we have to ensure. So to travel, so we have to ensure. So we have to plan very much yearly before, around 1 month year before. If you planned, then the cost is less. So artificial intelligence agent goals set us to, instead of just responding to the current environment, this type of environment we are discussing in the lesson is actually able to make decision. So prescribed goal, apparently name as a goal based agent. Okay, utility based agent. So utility based agent is also similar to goal based agent. So some extra component added, utility measurement or utility measurement. So which can, provide and measure the success to given state. So utility based on act based on not only goals, also is the best way to achieve the goals. Actually, utility based agent act based not only goals, because the goal components already presented in utility agent. They just enhanced some extra component for measuring utilities to achieve the goal. So previously we saw goal was presented, what action should I know? Then here, how happy I will be sure that the state utility. So utility based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives and an agent has to choose in order to perform the best action. So utility based agent is useful when there are multiple possible alternatives and an agent has choose in order to perform the best action. So reflex agent, for example, could be a home thermostat. The thermostat start heating or cooling your house based on the reaching of certain temperature. So thermostat is placed in your home. So based on the outside of temperature, it will start and cooling. So if it is a summer season, it will might cool the temperature. If it is a winter situation, it might give a hot temperature. So this is utility measurement. It have to measure the outside of the temperature. So this is utility based. Next one, learning agent. Learning agent is responsible to make improvement by learning of the environment. So they have a critic, the learning element task feedback from critic, which describe that how well the agent is doing with respect to fixed performance and standard. So what is performance element? It's responsible for selecting external action. That is called as performance element. And problem generator. This component is responsible for suggestion of actions that lead to new and informative experience. That's a problem generator. So agent is performance is standard and critic. So learning element takes feedback from critic which describe how well agent is doing respect to the fixed performance standard. And performance elements, external action, and the problem generator. So these are the way the suggestion will lead new informative experiences. So the learning agent having four components. Just now we discussed learning element, critic, performance element, and problem generator. So these elements which are used for learning the object. Example, if the robot want to learn cycle, how to drive the cycle. So this learning agent will used. Okay, thank you.